A guide by rankedseo.com. Follow these steps to get a do-follow backlink from a DA89 website for free. Open the browser and enter diego.com. Click on Sign Up. Choose free version. Enter the details one by one, and create account. Now go to email account, and open the email, click the activation link. Click on plus icon. Click on bookmark, add website URL, and click next. Add the info about the link, and click Add. Now, open the profile link in a private window, to check the backlink. Visit rankedseo.com, for 1000 plus step-by-step backlink guides. Use the code, YouTube, for a 10% discount.